Gemini, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for December 9 to 15, 2024. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see Gemini. Ano ang ganap sa inyo this week? For Gemini. Uy, courage, tiger's eye. So, maaring maglalakas loob kayo ngayong week na to, no? Lalakasan yung loob nyo for a new beginning, a new relationship, or yung mga projects na gusto mong gawin. Yung iba sa inyo, I'm sensing someone na meron siyang bagong trabaho na excited siya, at the same time medyo kinakabahan siya dahil first time niya itong may experience. This can be a new first time yung magkatrabaho, or yung iba naman first time nyo sa career path na ito or sa company na yan, or meron kang project na ngayon mo sisimulan. You also have grounding. So this is releasing negative energies through grounding. Let's say, iba sa inyo, maaring you will spend more time with nature, going out. This is also about cleansing, no? So, yung iba sa inyo, if you feel na parang ang bigat ng pakiramdam, lalo na pag lumalabas kayo or you are spending time with some people, you have to cleanse and release that negative energies. Kasi minsan, parang na-absorb din natin yung energy ng iba. Lalo na kung may nakausap ka na meron siyang problema, nag-rant sa'yo, or nag-open up sa'yo. So, or meron kang napanood na movie na medyo emotional ka. So, you have to be aware of your feelings. Let's see what else. You have new beginnings. Ayan, may bagong simula. For some of you, Gemini, this can be a new career, a new business, a new relationship. Kumbaga, bagong pagkakaabalahan. So, tingnan natin, specifically in what area of life tong new beginnings. This is 9th house, so learning. So, maaring iba sa inyo mag-aaral, magre-research. Yung iba, meron kayong bagong nagiging interest na religion or spirituality na ifa-follow ninyo, gusto nyong i-follow. Yung iba naman, may opportunity kayo to work abroad or to start living abroad. Baka doon na kayo titira, o kaya pwedeng magbabakasyon, travel. Let's see your overall energy this week. You have the 3 of Cups. Ang ganda nito kasi this is about celebration, reunion. So, maaring this week, may mga makakasama ka, mga kaibigan, kamag-anak, mga mahal sa buhay, na meron kayong isa-celebrate. Can be a birthday of a friend or a family member, or it's a get-together. Pwedeng reunion, lalo na ngayon dahil it's holiday season, diba? Yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron kayong isa-celebrate na achievement. Let's say may na-promote sa inyo, no? Na-promote kayo, or na-hit nyo yung target sales ninyo sa business nyo, or anything na happy moments. Okay? So, your challenge is the temperance. Ayan, minsan, parang may mga bagay na gusto mong madaliin, gusto mo mangyari na agad, but may mga bagay kasi na kailangan pa ng proseso. Na, kumbaga, kailangan mong maghintay para makuha mo siya sa tamang panahon. So, maaring yung patience mo, yan yung challenge sa'yo na kailangan willing ka na maghintay, be more patient, ganyan. This is also about things in moderation. So, if merong mga bagay na sumusobra na ginagawa mo or sa buhay mo, This is also your challenge na ma-balance mo yan. Let's say, sobra kang nagpupuyat. So, challenge mo kung paano mo mababalance yung tulog mo, yung maayos na tulog. 'Di ba? Or sobra kang nasosobrahan ka sa mga pagkaing bawal sa'yo. 'Di ba? So, it's you paying attention to what is good for you. Things in moderation lang. Okay? So, your opportunity is the Four of Pentacles, which is financial stability. So, you have the opportunity ngayon na mas makapag-ipon, makapagplano ng mga gusto mong mangyari for your business, for your career. This is also financial security. Some of you, yung mga, may opportunity kayo na maayos yung papeles related sa inyong bahay, no? Maaring iba sa inyo, you're taking out a loan or you want to buy a new house or a property. So, this week, may opportunity ka na i-reassess yung situation mo kung kaya mo ba yung ganong responsibilities. Okay? So, your blessing is the Five of Cups. So, as a blessing, ang Five of Cups is about chances. So, maaring magkakaroon ka ng pagkakataon na maayos yung mga naging pagkakamali mo in the past. Maaring merong mga napalagpas ka na opportunity na babalik ulit sa'yo. Let's say, ikaw ay meron kang gustong posisyon sa trabaho, nag-opening, tapos for some reasons hindi ka nakapag-apply kasi pwedeng nakalimutan mo or hindi ka pwede nung time na yon. So, ngayon babalik yung oportunidad na yon. This can be any opportunities for you. Kaya nga, kailangan mo rin na ilipat, i-divert yung iyong attention doon sa iba pang possibilities dahil minsan, no, nagfo-focus tayo sa mga bagay na nawala na miss out na natin, but there are some opportunities pa na naghihintay sa atin na hindi natin makita dahil nga sa iba tayo nakatingin. 'Di ba? So, some of you will be able to see what you still have, yung blessings na meron ka. You're going to be more grateful for the blessings that you have. You have the Cross. So, sabi dito, burdens can lift if you persevere. So, yung mga nagpapabigat sa yung kalooban or anything na parang feeling mo burdensome ka, ang dami mong responsibilities, ang dami mong kailangang asikasuhin, ang daming kailangang gawin. But, if you will persevere, talagang gagawin mo lang. Like, hindi mo iisipin siya as nakakapagod. Gawin mo lang siya one at a time. Hindi mo kailangang i-pressure yung sarili mo. At malilingat ka na lang tapos na pala lahat ng mga task na kailangan mong gawin. You also have the house. So, some of you, maaring meron kayong concern sa bahay, sa family, or anything na kailangan yung ayusin sa bahay, paperwork, or renovation. You also have garden. So, meron talagang celebration for you. Yung iba, busy kayo Maaring kayo ay mag-host ng isang reunion or a party na sa bahay nyo mangyayari. Oo. So, this is also a time for you to connect with others, be more friendly. You might be attracting new connections, mas lalong lalawak yung network mo, which is makakabuti para sa'yo. Dahil, sabi nga, your network is your net worth. Mas marami kang kilala, mas marami nakakilala sa'yo, mas malaki yung opportunity mo na maging financially blessed. Okay? So, sa iyong money, career, finances, sabi rito, you might be in denial of a situation in your career or finances. It's time to face the truth and work on rebuilding your reality. So, maaring meron dito na iniiwasan ka, parang in denial ka sa situation na kailangan mo nang ayusin sa finances mo, sa trabaho mo, sa career mo. So, it's time to face that. And also, may mga times na kailangan mong matutong tumanggi. Oo, na set boundaries pagdating sa trabaho. Na kapag hindi mo na kaya, sabihin mo, hindi mo na kaya. Pag ayaw mo magpautang, sabihin mo, no utang. Okay, so for your love life, you're going to focus on yourself. Taking care of yourself. Regardless kung ikaw ay may relasyon o wala, you will practice self-love, self-care. Okay? And then, find strength in social community and achieve your goals. Yes, this really makes sense. So, yung iba sa inyo, yung grupo, yung community na kinabibilangan nyo, malaking tulong sila, no? Para mapaunlad mo yung sarili mo and makatulong rin sa iba. Okay? So, that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. Bye!